Hi, this is Beast Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can turn off the maintenance required light on your 2008 Toyota Camry. I believe this also works from 2007 Camrys up through 2012 Camrys. The car is running right now, and what you want to do is make sure your trip counter is on trip A. If it's not, you just use the button here and switch it out until you get to trip A. And once you're in trip A, we're gonna shut the car off. Okay, now with the car off, what you want to do before you do anything is hold down that trip button, keep it held down, and then you're gonna turn the key to the on position, but do not start the car. And you can see it's flashing, and once it goes to 0.0, you release the button, and if you turn the car off and then start the car, you'll see the maintenance required light is out. So if this video helped you out, kindly give a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.